This setup is for processing lepidolite stone ore to recover lithium. It is a flotation separation plant and has a high recovery ratio for Li2O. For lepidolite ore, the lithium concentrate, Li2O, grade can reach about 4 to 5% after processing, and the final exact Li2O depends on Li2O in raw material and other minerals conditions. The full processing plant includes 4 systems: a crushing system, grinding system, flotation system, concentrate filtering system and tailing treatment system. Main machines include raw material feeding hopper, chute feeder, jaw crusher, hammer crusher, belt conveyor, electromagnetic vibrating feeder, fine ore bin, ball mill, hydrocyclone, mixing tank, flotation machine, slurry pump, thickener, disc vacuum filter machine, etc. Crushing system. A chute feeder is for feeding raw material, below 210 mm, to the primary jaw crusher stably and evenly. The jaw crusher is for the primary crushing of big stones below about 30 mm. Then output from the jaw crusher will go to the hammer crusher for secondary crushing. The output from the hammer crusher is below 5 mm. Then the output from the hammer crusher will go to the fine ore bin by belt conveyor. The smaller the feeding material size to the ball mill, the better, so the ball mill grinding efficiency will be higher and the effect will be much better. Grinding system. Since the 0 to 5 mm material is stocked on the fine ore bin, so needs to feed to the ball mill by an electromagnetic vibrating feeder, the ball mill is for grinding material to small fine powder, to make sure to liberate Li2O as much as possible out from lepidolite ore, so the next flotation separation can get the best recovery ratio. For lepidolite ore, the final product of 120 mesh occupies 60 to 70%. So in order to get those fine powder sizes, the ball mill needs to work together with hydrocyclone. Overflow of the hydrocyclone will be the 100 to 200 mesh fine slurry, and the underflow coarse particles will go back to the ball mill for grinding again, to be closed circuit. So from this grinding system we'll get 100 mesh to 200 mesh slurry. Flotation system. The 100 to 200 mesh slurry will be firstly sent to mixing tanks by slurry pump, to make sure the material is mixed completely, then material from the mixing tanks goes to flotation machines. At the same time, I need to add relevant chemicals in the flotation machine to separate out Li2O. The flotation process has primary separation to get concentrated ore and tailings. The concentrated ore will be processed by another 2 stages of flotation. And tailings also will be processed by another 2 stages of the flotation process. In this way, can increase the Li2O recovery ratio and make the Li2O grade as high as possible. So after the flotation process, I will finally get high-grade Li2O. The flotation system can be adjustable according to material real conditions. Concentrate ore filtering system. After getting the Li2O to concentrate ore from the flotation system, it is with water, so it needs to dewater. Because the size is very small, fine 100 to 200 mesh, so firstly use a thickener to thicken the concentrate, make higher density, then use a disc vacuum filter machine to filter water, and dry lithium concentrate ore. Tailing treatment system. The tailings from the flotation system, it is with water and needs to dewater as well, so we use a cone thickener to thicken the tailing, make higher density, then use a filter press to filter water, and the tailing. The water from the thickener, vacuum filter, and filter press can be reused to process plants. This lepidolite ore flotation processing plant is highly effective to recover lithium, Li2O. The plant design can be customized as per rock minerals conditions and capacity customer requirements.